Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and whether I am trying to do the latest trend on social media or make a how-to video or a video review, it's important to me to always have a tripod with me so that I can record hands-free. I really like this UBeesize tripod because it is super easy to set up and to break down. It goes up to 62 inches, so I can get lots of different angles, and it's nice and portable and easy to travel with. One feature that I use often is turning the phone holder from landscape to portrait and back. It's really easy to do, and it's adjustable no matter how I want to place my phone in there, even the larger phones it can fit. I also like that I can tilt it, so if I'm trying to do a video making something or putting something together with my hands, then I can adjust the angle of the ring light. The ring light too has different settings. This is the one when you turn it on, and then, there we go. You can switch it. There's 3 different modes, so you can get the lighting just right for whatever you're trying to do or wherever you're at. And then you can even dim the lighting down if it's too much, or brighten it if you're wanting to do something like a makeup video. But my absolute favorite feature is the remote that it comes with, because I can stop a video and restart a video with the click of a button. So if you're looking for a tripod that is super easy to use, has a lot of different features, and a remote, then check out the UBeesize 62-inch tripod. That's just my point of view.